We are here in Moparrabah, New South Wales, and we're here to show you this nice cottage. So let's go inside. So as soon as we were inside, we are in the living room, which is very cozy. We have this nice fire. I mean, it's winter and it's cold in here, so you know, there's nothing else we want. And the owners kindly started it yesterday before we were arriving, because we arrived, you know, late at night. As I said, it's very cozy. We have this nice and comfortable couch, some nice armchairs, and a big TV. There's also this big table, which you can have like a big family dinner over here. There's also board games, everything is well thought of, and you can have like also a family board game night in here if you're willing to, because there's not a lot of connection. I mean, there's Wi-Fi, but I think this is like the right place to, you know, disconnect. This cottage has two main bedrooms. So you can have like two couples, or if you have kids, you can come here. So there's three doors. The first one is one of the bedrooms. The second one is just storage, the kitchen, and the main bedroom is over there to the other area. But let's see the first bedroom. So this is very cozy. We didn't sleep here. We slept in the main one. You know, nice view to the outdoor area. Yeah, that's about it. So guys, this is the kitchen. It has everything you need. I mean, every utensil you can possibly imagine. I feel like I always say this, but it's always the case. It's very stylish. I mean, the cabinets kind of match, you know, the smeg appliances, the fridge and the toaster and the kettle. I mean, it really has everything you need, and because this cottage is in such a remote area, the owners kind of provide everything that you might forget before coming here. So there's like things like you know, olive oil, you know, all kinds of sauces, salt and pepper, you know, everything you need they provide, because it's a long drive back to the nearest town. Yeah, and also they provided some veggies, which were, you know, a nice touch, because they must plant them, you know, around and have some leftovers. So we had some chard yesterday and it was delicious, you know, freshly grown. You know, there's a stove and an oven, that's how I call it. And yesterday we made some cannellonis and they were yummy. So come on in, guys. This is the corridor, and I absolutely love, you know, the color of these walls. This is this like old green or something, you know, almost grey. It's very stylish, very beautiful. There's some old cabinets in here as well. You know, and I feel like the cottage, I'm not sure when it was built, but it feels old and it looks old, but it was newly refurbished and everything is, you know, spot on. It has that old vibe, but also very cozy, which, you know, we always appreciate when we are in the countryside, you know, in the forest, you know, perfect retreat. So come on in. So guys, wait a minute for this, because this is a stylish bathroom. Come on in. Look at this bathtub, you know, clawfoot bathtub in the middle of the bathroom. And oh my god, guys, we have to try this bathtub. And if you come here, you absolutely have to try. Also, you might feel that it's not very practical because you want to go on a hike and whatnot, but there's also a shower outside in the laundry, so you know you can just jump right in and do what you have to do. And this is the main bedroom, guys. You know, king size bed, 2 couches that you're probably never going to sit down at. That accent wall with the green as well. You know, everything is, you know, simple but very stylish at the same time, very cozy. Also, those ceilings are something. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, we had a good night's sleep in here. And, you know, let's check the outside now. So on the outside, when you come out of the kitchen, there's this, you know, nice deck area with a big barbecue. Nice chairs, nice porch. So here is the laundry. It also has a shower, as I said before. And over there you can also see that there's, you know, an extra bedroom that you can book out if, I mean, you're coming with someone else and you need an extra bedroom. Yeah, so you can, like, for extra fee you can also have that. You have this private little area here that the owners don't come here even though they live in the same property. Yeah, and everything is very well cared. So there's this, you know, nice bench, nice timber here. You know, the decoration, you know, is very rustic, very beautiful. Yeah. So on the other side of the property, on the other side of the house, there's also a deck with a sofa. You can enjoy your tea there. You know, also you can bring your pets, which is also, you know, always a plus, because we brought Frederick even though he's like hidden now, probably sleeping because he couldn't sleep at night because he was like exploring everything. Anyways, yeah, that's about it, guys. I think we saw everything. So, I mean, we are going to explore the property because there's like some little waterfalls, there's like a trek you can do up the mountain, and that's what we are going to do afterwards. But now I think we're going to enjoy the fire before lunch, and after lunch we're going to explore a bit more. So stay tuned.